Dear traders, you're watching weekly review on the stock market presented to you by ИнстаФорекс news team and me, Kate Nidachina. The US stock market tumbled on Friday on worries over the health of the global economy, due to which blue-chip stocks suffered triple-digit losses. The S&P 500 index finished the past week with the biggest loss in 2.5 years, while Dow Jones posted its biggest weekly slump since September 2011. Friday, the S&P 500 moved down by 1.6% to settle at the level of 2002.33 and lost 3.5% over the week. Weekly losses of the energy and material sectors were the largest among 10 groups. The Dow Jones Industrial Average dropped 315.51 points, or 1.8%, to the mark of 17,280.83 points, having plummeted 3.8% on the week. Meanwhile, the Nasdaq Composite dipped by 1.2% to 4,653.60 points. The weekly fall of the benchmark index was 2.9%. Last week's heavy sell-offs followed 7 straight weeks of gains and were closely linked to rapidly falling oil prices. Crude oil futures plunged by more than 10% over the past week as global supply continued to outstrip demand. Moreover, the International Energy Agency again cut its forecast for global demand. Wholesale prices in the US fell in November, largely due to a drop in energy prices. At the same time, the annual inflation rate decreased to a 9-month low of 1.4%. Experts warn that deflation can cause recession eventually. Sentiment of US consumers jumped in December to the highest mark since January 2007. The University of Michigan and Thomson Reuters preliminary index climbed to 93.8 from 88.8 in November, squeezing expectations. Shares of GoPro closed with a gain of 0.8% on Friday, leveling off the Thursday drop of 4.3%. Over the recent few weeks, the stock has been sharing gains on news that after December 23rd, when the lockup period ends, the market would be flooded with the shares from insiders. Stocks of telecoms were sold due to weak sales, regulatory uncertainty, and warnings from biggest players such as Verizon Communications and AT&T. Shares in Windstream Holding depreciated by 9.7% after the company reshuffled its management team. Tony Thomas was appointed as Chief Executive Officer of Thursday. On Friday, he appointed Bob Gunderman as Chief Financial Officer. It was weekly review on the American stock market. Have a nice trading with ИнстаФорекс.